how to make a payment on Wise, and it about really help you about it. It's still about really helping you about it. It's still be really satisfying for what we are looking for. What we are looking for. So that is about be really right here. So what we can start to hear about this. Okay, so what we can do. What we can do is about exactly to go for send money here, as you can see. So once we can do to make a payment is about to make such a thing, that is about to send money or start to add recipient with that, or start to go to account and start to go for payment method to start to add money with your saved bank account. And that is all about here to help you here on this video, and that is all about guys to help you.